Hello friends, welcome in this Sketchware tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you that how to delete any button or text view or anything, or invisible any button or text view or anything in Sketchware. So at first I am setting this app visible naming anything. So here is the app. Now I am setting here text view, image view, a checkbox, and then setting here 3 buttons. Now button 1 on click, set visible, the text view 1 gone. Now button 2 on click, set visible, the image view invisible, and the button 3 on click, set view text view 1, set visible. So now I am running the app. Just see that what happens. Sketchware is a great app. You can learn it so easily. And here you see, now I am tapping on the first button. Here you see the text view is gone. Now on this third button I am clicking, the text view has come, and I am tapping on the second button. It is invisible. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and watch our other videos. If you like this video, please like it.